start. Let's see if that works. It should. There it is. All right. We're live on YouTube. Live on TikTok. We're going to start talking about our... Okay, we have GFAI. What is going on with GFAI? Garforce AI shares move higher as co-reports it as engaged investors relations investor relations co to lead strategic investor relations. Okay, there's nothing like strategic partnerships. We have METX. METX is absolutely ripping. And I really should have listened to you. Yasmin, if you popped in, I should have listened to you. You've been telling me about METX for a long time. I might have to finally take your word for it and take a trade with it. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, if we pull back, maybe pull back into some. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and and then we're looking at METX. I honestly want to see it pull back a little bit harder. We're kind of overextended. I want to see a nice pullback, maybe to around 67. Because it looks like we did broke, but I also don't like that we are breaking above this swing high and pulling back now. Yeah, guys, I'm also I'm looking to short the market. How long you been in crypto? 3 years. All right. Let's go ahead and cover. We have CADE. Deleting that. That's stupid. That is just not looking good at all. Oh, guys, that's pretty good. We might have a IR&T, a mid candle breakouts. Break over yesterday's highs. And expect us to rip. So IR&T over 1426. That's what we're watching. What coins are you watching right now? What coins? Again, I'm not trading crypto right now, but what coins I am watching is Quant, ICP, HBAR. There's a Carol or I don't know. I might be looking to trade some shit coins here because, like, I mean, I wouldn't invest in shit coins. So I'm talking day trade. I wouldn't invest or I wouldn't swing these at all. But I've been thinking more about KRL. Cat Girl has been getting a lot of hype lately. So, but I do not like Cat Girl just because that's 100 times more supply than Shiba. So RFL dead. Yeah, I seen Catgirl and been looking at it a little bit. Yeah, I mean it's something. WIMI, we're looking at that. So I mean, break. I think we could be flagging here for WIMI. So I really like that. IRT, that's our back burner play. METX. I'm not a huge fan of us popping up above and then getting rejected. GAF looks like a selling climax. I can almost guarantee that this is going to fall for the rest of the day. Thank you guys for the follow. If you guys haven't already, start tapping the like button. TikTok pushes the stream more. Let's try to get to 500 likes. WIMI is definitely the one that I'm watching. ABIO, could you check that out? Yes, I can. Thank you guys for the likes. Not a huge fan. Pop up, pull back, pop up, pull back. Maybe another pullback, but I'm not too sure. I'm not a fan of it right now. It's a little slow, not really just popping. I mean, not like consistently. And any. These are my swings at support. IDEX. Increasing volume yesterday. That's what we want to see. Holding the profits pre-market. I think we could see it. I think it was pretty bullish as long as it don't break 182. Then we have DPW. Not a fan. Yesterday we had a ton, or 2 days ago we had a ton of volume into that 250 area. So I'm not a fan of DPW right now, just because that means there's a lot of resistance there. And then we have A and Y. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 95 likes. Yeah, I mean, as long as it don't rank 562, I'm bullish on it. Apple. Man, do I not have Apple in my... I do not have Apple in my swing trading. So, I mean, Apple is kind of moving up short term, but I mean, it's Apple. It's going to recover. It already recovered from, oh, that dumped over during after hours. Okay. I'm not too sure why. From 70 to 75. Okay. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Tried Binance and couldn't do it. What are we eyeing today? Right now, I'm eyeing METX. METX looks like it is having a solid pullback. I would like to see a pullback down to 63. We're looking GFAI. I think this is going to dump off for the rest of the day, though, if I'm going to be honest. We have WIMI, kind of choppy, so waiting for that to small. And then the IR in T for the mid candle breakout. Looking for it to pop up over 1426. Pop up over 1426. We could easily see this back up to 15. Earnings yesterday. Yep. UAMI swing. UAMY. I would not, just because we have 6 different rejections going higher and with higher wicks. I'm not a fan of that at all. Pop up stream. Uh, there we go. All right, all right. Gotta get to work. Maybe you'll be back on this live this evening. Have a good day trading. Hey, have a good day at work. Thank you for the stop. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for sending the likes. I might actually start doing some. I might do a live later today, actually in the afternoon. Usually don't. Maybe Fridays I will, just because I am looking over the whole market and my whole watch list for next week. So I think that you guys could get some value after that. Thank you for the likes. We're at 1,300 likes. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Awesome. I need SESN to move today. I need it to move. SESN today is the final day I'm going to hold it because of the FDA meeting. If we do not see the FDA meeting get some news today or get some hype today, I'm cutting it for SESN. Now we also have AMD. What's going on with AMD? Why is WMI? Wait, why it's up? Why is WIMI up this much during pre-market? Admitted a continued momentum in space following Facebook news yesterday. So let's see what happened yet. Holds of WIMI Metaverse to lay out developing metaverse industry. Watching augmented reality stocks following WIMI. Okay. I think that today this is gonna be our biggest runner. This is gonna be our runner. How's our volume? WIMI. Okay, this is a almost 6x relative volume. So this has the potential. This is my top stock to watch right now because it's worked up, or it's working with the metaverse, and that's a very hot topic right now. So again, let's go ahead and look at we're looking at AMD. Honestly, AMD break below yesterday's low, or this low. We're down to 118.50. So I am watching AMD below there. Let's go ahead and, oh, I have my drink. WIMI entry price, can't give you that. I don't want to make a trade plan right now. It's not I want to give it a little bit more time. It's overextended. Or it's not overextended. We're getting decreasing volume. So the entry price is just it will come and go as it continues to rip. All right. Again, we're looking for what is it, the 29th? Yep. Yeah, so AMD below previous low. That's what I'm gonna be watching for some options. Got to long term or short term with WIMI. Really depends. It's well definitely short term a day trading, but if it's a scalping or a runner, like letting it ride, it depends on what kind of strategy and how the market's feeling. Would you trade RVI? No. Well, I don't even know why we were moving up. Retail value shares being adjusted to account for payments. Yeah, so we dumped hard, so I wouldn't be trading it. I mean, if you might have a strategy on stocks that jump hard, but I don't have one. LICD. What's going on with LICD? I mean, it ripped LICD. It's been ripping yesterday. LCID. Oh, ripped all the way up to 39 yesterday. Fuck yeah. Guys, I've been holding for so long. I've been holding since March for LCID. Um, I think I have like 100 shares at like 28 for LCID. All right, honestly, I think we could see a green day from crowd. So I'm watching crowd downtrend break. And I'm watching now we're looking at Nvidia, not a fan of it at all. I mean, not for a day trade or swing trade. I'm looking for good opportunities and good setups. I think SE is about to turn and break this downtrend, so I am going to be looking for puts. Airbnb, not a fan of it at all. If we see Coinbase pop, find resistance on 22, and then fall below the close, I'm going to be looking for Coinbase. gonna move you guys here so you guys can see my screen. Coinbase looking for puts. We got Facebook changing their name, ripping yesterday. Getting rejected though, so. Like how we're getting rejected. Maybe you see a rejection off 25. And then all right. MabCM. Looking for a higher low here. Yep, higher low. All right, all right. So we are also looking at we're looking for AMD, Crowd, Coin, and Facebook today. AMD, Crowd, Facebook, and Coin today. BIMI. We were looking for a mid candle breakout, but we didn't get over that 124. All right, guys, I think we're ready. I drank that pre-workout way too early, and now I'm itching. What you think of Dutch Bros stock? Got 6 shares in Dutch and holding. What's the ticker? And I can look at it. Let me know what the ticker is. Guys, as of right now, look, Fridays are usually slow. What I'm going to be looking for is actually catching SESN. So SESN is a swing trade that I've been working on for a while. Looking for an FDA meeting, and I'm about break even on it. I think I'm down only a few dollars. Nothing crazy. But this is when I've been working. This is my play. So today, I have to close that position today, no matter what. So we'll see. Again, right now, guys, I have this. I haven't been as disciplined, but I have this stuck here. I need to restick it. But let's go ahead and read this. It's just to help my mindset. Everything is consistent. Everything is random. Never risk more than 3% on a trade. It's okay not to trade. I will always have a stop in place. I will have at least 3 reasons to jump into every trade. I have consistent position sizing, and I will have losing streaks. So it's good just to read that and reset your mind every single time you jump onto your computer to trade. Just because you want to be consistent, and I mean, Control 6 to Alt 1. So I'm just getting a little bit better at kind of shifting through my trying to get good with my hotkeys. Every all right. GFAI, not a huge fan. METX, pulling back. That's what I like to see. We have 45 seconds left. Let's see what I think GFAI is going to be my top. No. METX is going to be my top stock to watch. I think I'm going to go into a scalping kind of mindset here. So let's see if I can get a quick bounce. 15% here. So I'm not too sure if I want to scalp this or if I want to actually play it. Let's see what happens right at market down. We have 15 seconds left. Then guys, we're looking for AMD below previous low. We're looking for crowd downtrend break. Coin below previous low. Below open at previous low. Facebook rejection off 125. Maybe a potential washed out long here. No, I don't want to do that. Oh man, I missed the washout. Let's go and add 50 at 500 here as it continues to get more bullish here. I'm going to add more and more and more. This is pretty risky. This is very risky. Do not follow me. This is very risky. I want to get more confidence. Stops are I want to see this back up to, and I only went in with a very, very small size. Very, very small size. I like this. I like this movement here. I'm very confident in it now. I have only a third of my position in. I want to get a lot more confident in this position. I like METX. The washout long was perfect. I want to see this hold and close above this 670 or 67 price target or price level, just because I want it. If we close back below there, I'm going to take my profits. But if it looks like we want to close above there, I want to see a nice retest, and then I'm going to add on to my position. There it is. I want to see a retest of around. I want to see a pullback, guys. My first price entry was at 65. So I am looking for a potential pullback here. We have decreasing volume. We're kind of building up here. I definitely want to start continuing to there we go. And bought a high a day. We're up 30. I'm not going to chase it. Again, I still have my we're at 65, 50, 40. We're up around, oh, we're getting rejected now off everything. Not a fan of that. I'm taking my profits. I'm going to take my profits there. Just take it quick. Yeah. So, did not like that really high wick with high volume. Might be holding it though, but that high volume candle was telling me that we're gonna have a much larger pullback. So I mean, I only used like 500 at a time. It was at 65.4. Yeah, I only used $320 for that trade. I only went in with around a third to a quarter of my position, and I mean, I still almost made around 10%. So that's unfortunate. I didn't make, but what about SESN? I need SESN to kind of move. I'm only down like 23% on it, or 20, not 23%, $23. So I want this to continue to rip today. Playboy moving. Oh, I do not like that we broke that. Broke that previous low. That is not good at all. And then WMI, there, I don't like that. Look at this. But we are seeing some very bearish momentum with the stochastic full. I want to see a bounce here. Maybe a nice red to green move. It actually looks perfect for a red to green move. What if we go ahead and add? So why am I doing this? The red to green move. We are cupping with wicks. I mean, we're getting stopping volume. So let's go ahead and enter with 50 shares. Stops are below previous low. Let's see a really nice red to green move here. This is what I wanted to see. But we're not getting that. We're not getting rejected. We're not getting that. Looks like I'm just gonna cut it here. Not gonna cut it. Not gonna risk it. That was a little. I anticipated just a little bit more. Very bullish. Very bullish. Okay, let's go ahead and look. We have AMD below previous low. I mean, that would have been a great trade. I mean, AMD closed back below the open, so let's see if we can see it come back and find resistance. Find resistance, and then your stops would be above this 9 EMA and VWAP here. Looking for to find some puts for AMD. I think we could easily come down to around 120, break 120, room down to 118. So we're going to do a $120 put. Nice bear flag potentially here. I want to see this back down below, but we're ripping. Okay, let's go and look at crowd strike for our downtrend break. And I think it did break the downtrend, but that's unfortunate. Yeah, popped up with some increasing volume. We missed it right out of the gate. I mean, we got Facebook rejection off 125. So I do want, or 325. That's what I want to see. And then Coinbase below the pre-market low. Below 315. So let's go back to we have METX, guys. I bought right down in here, sold up in here. Then we have IRNT. This is the very bullish one. GFAI, IRNT. I cannot figure out how to look at a chart that and know where to buy and sell. Hey man, it's hard to actually do it. It takes months of practice and thousands of hours of studying and practicing um, to be consistent. So don't be discouraged. I am still looking for some puts. Pretty slow right now. We have METX dumping. Not a huge fan of GFAI. All right, let's see if we can get a nice bounce off VWAP here. Back over 13, up to 13.2. Still eyeing WIMI. Did you take a position? Not on WIMI. I mean, we might be looking for an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. So look for a reversal. That kind of does WIMI is looking for a reversal. But I did take a position on METX right at market open. I looked for a washout long. I only went in with a third of my position because it's a very risky strategy and it's very. I didn't take my or scale in how I should have, but I bought down here like 64 cents and sold into the strength as we were coming back up into the 70-cent level. So that was my first position, only up 20 bucks on there. But I only used $300 for that trade, so. And IRNT, this is the HUDI. Halted again. I don't like WIMI at all. METX, I think, is going to dump for the rest of the day. We have AMD. AMD's absolutely ripping. Ripping. I was looking for puts for AMD, but I guess not anymore. Maybe looking for calls. I'm looking for a nice pullback here. Facebook or Coinbase now dumping. This is what we were thinking that what was going to happen. Hmm. Good for you. Yep, yep. Nice 3-bar play. IRNT. Might be looking for a double bottom here on WIMI. WIMI, looking for a double bottom, risking 10 cents now. Below the low. Looking for a nice reversal here. Maybe a nice red to green move. Starting to I'm not a huge fan of this up and then down, up, down. It's very, very I'm not going to trade it just because it's not the best setup and not part of my strategy, really. Hmm. Getting rejected off that we're getting really hard rejected. I want to see us come up, find a top, and find a double top, then I can grab these puts. All right, so I am looking for some RSI divergence. There it is. Now we're looking for decreasing volume on this run up with a double top. So RSI divergence, double top, decreasing volume. Boom. Stops will be above the high of day. Yeah, stops will be above the high of day. Oh, I missed my entry. I missed my entry there. When I'm up there, oh, there's $50. That could have been 75. There's 100. There's 125. I should have entered. Should have entered. I knew we were. Can you look at GFAI? Not a fan. Way too choppy. Wait for it to pick a direction. No, I missed my entry. I want it to come up just a little bit more. I want it to come up just a little bit more. I don't like this lower wick though. Facebook, we want to see it start to get rejected here. Yep, very light volume. I want to see it get rejected again. Very light volume. We're holding it though. It's still ripping. I want to see it get rejected off the top. I want to see it get rejected off this top. I want to see a hard rejection off this top. That will give me good confirmation to look and go long here. Or go short here. Buy some puts. But if it breaks the high, then I'm going to leave this alone. I think it just broke the high, but it's getting rejected. It's getting rejected. That's what we want to see. I want to see a very high... oh, we're getting rejected. There we are. Higher volume. We were on 53 seconds left. There, I got in for 25 shares. Or 25 contracts. We want to see this start to... We want this to start getting reversing here. We want this to start reversing here. I want stops are back above the previous high. Looking for a double top. We have increasing volume. Oh, I want to see it start to round off now. There you go. Come on down. Come on down. I know you want to. I'm just looking for a quick scalp here, just for a quick $50. For a quick $50. Let's see what happens. Come on. We're rounding off. Decreasing volume. Let's see if we can get out. No, we cannot get out. Decreasing volume. I can't get out. Cancel/replace order. It's at 15. 3. Come on, I want you to start to get rejected here. I don't like that we got rejected off this. Yeah, come on down. I want to just get out of this trade. I just want to get out of this trade. That's all I want to do. Back up to 16. Broke up, broke below. If we close below, I'm not a huge fan. That's not a good sign. It's like, to me, that looks very bearish. Yep. Come on, get rejected here. Get rejected. That's what we want to see. Come on, keep getting rejected. We have 20 seconds left on this candle. Yep, now we have increasing volume. That's what we want to see. That's exactly what we want to see. Come on, we broke over the highs and got immediately rejected. We're back below. That's exactly what we want to see. Increasing volume now to the downside. Very light volume. Very light volume. Watch this, please. I can give it to you after this trade. I'm in the middle of a trade. I want to see this. I'm looking at AMD right now. I want to see this dip and continue to dump. We have really high wicks. I want to see this come on down. I want to see this back down to around 121. Around 121. Where did I buy this? I bought this at 952.01. Bought it right in here. Oh yeah, come on, continue to come down now. Continue to come down. Continue to come down. Might have a little bit of rejection right there. I'm going to see if we can. This might be a small pause in the move. I want to see it continue to rip to the downside. There we go. Come on. Dump down, dump down. Yep, that's what I want to see. Exactly what I want to see. Come on, our options are now popping up, getting rejected. Maybe sell 10 here. Maybe sell 10 here. I'm not a fan of it. Trade price. I got in it. It's only 15. I'm only up. I'm out. I did not like this high volume. What? How did I get down on the day? I feel what? Okay. Oh man, and I got filled at 17 for a couple of them. That's unfortunate. I didn't like this high volume candle here. I did not like that high volume candle at all. That was very, very scary, so I had to jump out of that real quick. And I think that's what happened. We're about to bounce, increasing volume there. I'll take a small $15 loss. Oh! Damn! That's so unfortunate. Shit. Would have been up 75 bucks. Damn. The fake out. I would have held. I would have been up 75 bucks. Damn. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. And it's continued to come down now. When we're up over 100. That's very unfortunate, but it's all good. Why did I jump out right here? This increasing volume on this doji candle, that's not what I liked. Whoa! AMD. And it's still falling, guys. It's still falling. That's unfortunate. That would have been a great trade. That would have been a great fucking $200 trade, $300 trade. And it broke below VWAP. It looks like it's going to continue to come down. Fuck! It's up 150. Oh, would have been a $200 trade. Easy. Guys, I just got scared out. It's unfortunate. GFAI, please. GFAI, yes. Watch list, yes, 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 yes. Watch list is METX, GFAI, GFAI, WIMI, IRNT, and NEON. So right now, GFAI, still very trying to pick a direction. So just wait till it picks a direction. It's too choppy. Oh, great! There, I had 25 contracts up at 122. Just bought DWAC at 57.72. What's it gonna do? No, I have no idea. No idea. DWAC, but I know that there's a lot of people that want to see this burn and go to zero. So people are gonna be looking to short it. But I also think it's gonna do well. I do honestly think that it's going to do well. Go! Woo! Man, that AMD call needed to rip today. Ah, not call, I mean put. That would have been a great put, but look for a potential downtrend break and then a nice higher low off five bucks. What would you invest in today? Nothing right now. I tried AMD puts. It worked out, but I sold too early. I would have been up a lot of money. I also have an SESN calls. I need that to pop up. I tried WIMI, sold for a small loss. METX, I sold that. I got a dub out of that. Only 20 bucks though. So right now I'm down 58 bucks on the day. All right, all right. Oh man, I missed my entry. I should have bought, but I was messing with my fucking charts. When I've been up, that's $100 trade right there that I missed. Now there's two trades that I would have been up $300 on the day, but it did not. I'm missing it. I'm looking for some Facebook or not Tesla puts right now. I want to see a nice retest. If I was here earlier at the all-time highs, we had some really nice RSI divergence with a stopping volume. So that was a great observation that we were able to. Okay, and we cracked VWAP. Oh my God, that would have been a $300 trade right there. That would have been a $300 trade right there. If I entered, but I didn't, which is unfortunate. Yeah, $400 trade, easy. Let's see if we can pop back up. Maybe if I can slide in real quick. I want to see a pullback or a pullback up. Hmm. I want to see it start to get rejected. I want to see the stochastic full still stay pretty low. Decreasing volume. Decreasing volume. Let's see if we can get it. I'm in at 1170. I'm in at 1170. I kind of jumped the gun just a little bit. I'm in at 1170. I want to hold this a little bit longer. I might have did it a little bit too early. A little bit too early, but it's all good. I'm in at 1170. I want to see it start to get rejected off VWAP, and I want to see it start to dump. I want to see it start to get rejected here. That's not what I want to see. 1170, increasing volume to the upside. Not a fan. Not a fan. But now I want to see it start to get rejected here. I anticipated a little bit too much. Anticipated a little too much, but I want to see it start to get rejected. We are getting very light volume, which is what we want to see. This is just a pullback. There's the dump. There's the dump. I want to see this continue down. There we go. There we go. Come on, continue. I know you want to continue to go move lower. I know you want to. Now just drop down. People are selling at VWAP. People are selling at VWAP. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Crack. I just need you to make one more low. I need you to just keep this momentum up. I know you want to. Come on, Tesla. Minute 770. Gonna get out there. Can't get out. No, I didn't want to get out. Fuck. I didn't want to. I did not want to get out. I did not want to get out at all. I didn't mean to send that. I did not mean to send that. That's fucking so unfortunate. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yep. Continue to dump. There it is. Would have been up 30. Would have been up. Would have been up more. Would have been up 50, 60. That's unfortunate, guys. Did not mean to sell that. Oh, today's just something. I think I might just call it a day today. I'm not trading. I'm not in the right mindset. I mean, I'm already down. I'm down $92. Not a fan at all. So are getting rejected off that level. $10.90. Okay, yeah, we would have been down just a good amount. And I really shouldn't have traded against the stochastic full. This short-term pullback, that I didn't trade that long-term trend just because I knew we were going up, so this is pretty bullish. I really should have traded that back when it was up at the top with this RSI divergence. RSI divergence cross with the stochastic full with stopping volume. Guys, that would have been an amazing trade. RSI divergence, volume, stochastic full. There's 3 different reasons right there to trade. We overextended. We needed a pullback. We hit a key level, support and resistance. There's plenty of reasons for us to have been able to catch that move. Down only. So I'm done for the day. Thank you so much for stopping in. I will see you guys in the next one. What are you trading? I was trading a TSLA, but